construction technologies. LPCT have been developing social procurement solutions with their partners to help solve emerging economies and the Australian indigenous housing crisis. Indigenous communities go through many channels to surface and approve the demand for dwellings to be financed and built within their communities. Severe overcrowding and unsuitable housing designs are the result of this breakdown in communication. Government procurement systems then have strict pre-qualification requirements of organisational capabilities, and the result is unsuitable designs, exponential project costs, and limited local labour being used. This takes large portions of infrastructure development investment out of the region and inhibits growth of regional economies and local organisational capabilities. Lifting Point Construction Technologies and the University of Wollongong have been collaborating on the development of a virtual design and management capability that can assist in locally sourcing regional required infrastructure of communities globally.
What we have is Aboriginal communities and we are allowing for mass customization of housing solutions. We have the mass element coming in is the library of the housing or the frame components, and we have customizable regional elements feeding into the platform too. The platform is designed around 4D, including costing, which gives government bodies but also the customer indication of pricing and for the housing solution. We're using regional NGOs to drive macroeconomic stimulation into the economy by engaging the end-to-end supply chain. And we're using the frame solution to enable upskilling and capability development in regional Australia in Aboriginal communities.
Look, our involvement in this project is really to ensure that a community narrative is heard. It is extremely important that all projects and programs as they roll out in remote North Australia are led by an Aboriginal narrative, and the only way to hear that narrative is to operate in the cross-cultural space in our community frameworks. So that's really our role in this, is to ensure, one, that the teams that go on the ground are culturally prepared. The other is to ensure that the community leads that narrative and discussion in terms of wants and aspirations, but also the design of any dwellings. If we're going to have true engagement and true opportunity for Aboriginal people in remote areas, we have to ensure that they are front and centre of the project, and they're the drivers of that project. And the only way to build capacity and to develop sustainable communities is to ensure that that is the core part of our process. Thanks.